Hello Taurus, Namaste. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Insights. Here I upload videos related to tarot and oracle card readings. Also, occasionally I will post videos on various topics related to occult. So, this is my second video, guys, and I request you all to shower some love by liking and sharing my videos and subscribing to my channel. This will help me grow my channel and motivate me further to upload more interesting topics later. So, that being said, let me tell you what this reading is going to be all about. So, it's about what's coming for you in this month of October 2020. So, let me tell you what messages you can expect from this reading. Using the tarot and oracle cards, I intend to provide you with some insights regarding your relationship, career, and finance for the month of October 2020. Also, we'll see what messages your spirit guides or your guardian angels or your ancestors have for you for this month. I'm sure this reading will serve as a guidance and in certain cases may act as a warning to let you avoid some of your actions that might get you into some sort of trouble this month. Also, let me tell you guys, this is a general reading. It will resonate with most of you, but may not with everyone. So, that doesn't mean the reading is wrong. It's just that it was not meant for you. So, that was the introduction, guys. And now, let's start with your reading. So, the first card is Four of Cups in reverse, second is Two of Wands in reverse, and the third tarot is the Hermit. Next is New Moon in Libra, then Dolphin, Express Your Inner Truth, and the last card is Prana. So let's begin your reading with the first tarot, that is Four of Cups in reverse. So singles, you may have started to think of getting into a relationship lately. And with this card that says a new romantic cycle begins, you will definitely feel like now is the right time for you to enter the dating game. Those of you who had a breakup, and I mean a very bad one, earlier you might have distanced yourself from the world, trying to give yourself all the time to heal, but now you are ready to come out of that period of darkness and bask yourself again in the light of love. You are all set to let go of your past sufferings you had because of a terrible heartbreak. That's great, guys. So, for those in a relationship or are married, don't be surprised if you find yourself in search of a new relationship because you may have started to realize that your present relationship isn't working anymore and has now started to bore you. Alternatively, some of you may find yourself seeking the help of a counselor in order to give your relationship a second chance, or maybe you found a renewed interest to focus on the same. All in all, guys, Four in Cups reversed is a positive sign for most of you with respect to your relationship. Alright? So, the next card is Two of Wands in reverse. Career wise, it suggests two scenarios. One, where some of you may find yourself in a situation where the plans you made regarding your work path isn't going the way you wanted them to. It may be because you might have missed a few details while laying the plan, or maybe because you didn't see the obstacles coming. Alternatively, some of you had made all the plans in the world, analyzed all the possible scenarios, and calculated all the risks, but fear might be holding you back from taking the very first steps. Well, you cannot have everything under control, guys. After all, we are humans. We make mistakes and we learn from them. So, you people really need to loosen yourself a bit. Trust yourself and take the first action. You have it in you to deal with whatever comes later, but you can't just live in fear and do nothing. Okay? So for some of you who are in a partnership, you may have started to realize that it isn't working for you anymore, and you are looking for ways to come out of it. For some of you who have been offered a partnership, you may have chosen not to indulge in it because of the fear that it might not work in favor for you. Also, the card suggests for some of you who might have been offered a job in a different location, preferably abroad. Now you might be regretting your decision of denying that job because of your own fears. Hey, wake up, guys. Come out of that self doubt of yours, okay? So, the next card is Hermit, which for some of you suggests that now you might be in a phase of realization that money isn't important for you anymore. It doesn't brings you the same happiness it did before. You might be gaining interest in spirituality lately and losing focus on materialistic things. Although while you will buy food items, but you may hold yourself back from buying things that do not serve as basic needs. Okay, so some of you might look out for ways to curb your overspending. All right. So with this next card, new moon is all about beginnings, and as the card says, a new romantic cycle is beginning. Well, I have covered that part already with the Four of Cups card in reverse. And now, as you can see here, Libra is represented by a set of scales. So, new moon in Libra is suggesting to bring things back to equilibrium, especially your relationship. So, don't worry, be happy. That's what our next card says here. Guys, it's useless to worry about things you have no control over. Okay, so for some of you, your spirit animal may be a dolphin, and just like this set of scales in Libra, dolphin represents balance. Being of playful nature, dolphin is trying to remind you that life should be lived with joy. It's asking you to trust your instincts and to stop overthinking about any issues you have no control over. When you are relaxed, guys, you will be able to focus more on matters clearly. Alright? So the next card says express your inner truth. Your creative work shines brightest when it reflects your genuine feelings and thoughts. So, for those of you who are feeling creatively blocked lately, this card has showed up as a sign that all those blockages will be cleared, letting your creativity flow freely, just like water in a river flows freely without any obstruction. So, whatever talent you have, maybe writing, painting, or dancing, you must express in the exact same way that you feel now. Bring out your inner feelings, guys, in the form of talents you have got. Okay? So, coming to the last card, which is Prana. I feel your spirit guides are trying to remind you who you are. They are asking you to ditch all the worries and live your life to the fullest. You are in control of your breath, and only you can utilize it to bring your mind, body, and soul into balance. So, meditate as often as you can, guys, and try some pranayam. You will be amazed at how easy it is to take control of your life. You just need to have the determination in you. Alright? So, Taurus, that is the reading for you guys for October 2020. I will see you next in my other videos. Till then, bye, take care, and like and share my video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if the reading resonated with you, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon if you never want to miss an update from the Purple Insights. Bye.